Angel Alura, and this is Mega Millions Mike, and let's get ready for an adventure! Hello everyone, it's Angel Alura here. We're here at the Hard Rock Hotel in beautiful Daytona Beach. Apparently this is one of the nicest hotels in this area, so I'm super excited. It's top rated too. So yes, let's see if we agree with that statement and see if it's the nicest hotel in this area. So we're getting ready to check out our room, and we noticed that there's a sticker blocking the door, but this is a good thing because it says this room has been sanitized and sealed for your protection. Amazing. Feel nice and safe now. That's really good. Let's check it out. Okay, let's check it out. So let's see. Alrighty, so this is the bathroom area, and it looks like the shower's a little bit different. If you guys saw the clean room review, in that hotel they had like the actual bathtub shower, so you may have to like step into the bathtub. This one's a little bit different in the king rooms. This one has just like a standard shower, but honestly this is beautiful. So it's really like what you prefer. If you want to like step into and have a bath, then the clean room would probably be better. But this one is like a standard shower, but this is actually very beautiful and very nice and modern in here too. This is so pretty. Very clean too. They did a very good job washing everything. Some towels here. Ooh, high quality. This is beautiful. I love it. It looks very cozy. I feel like that shower is gonna be like really nice. The rainfall. Over here we have like a little closet. So let's see. A lot of space. We have an ironing board too. That's very nice. Oh, these are cute. Some more shelf space. We have a safe. We have some little cubbies here if we want to get organized some more. Ooh, we have a bed. Let's see if it's cozy. I'm gonna jump on it. Ooh. Ooh, oh my gosh, 10/10 recommend. Wow, there's a lot of space too. I know where I'm sleeping. But this one has like this nice chair too. I mean, this is beautiful. This is super cozy too. Let's see. This is relaxing. This is beautiful. And the queen rooms didn't have this, so this is like a little feature for the king rooms. This is nice. Let's check out the outside too. It's a beautiful view. Let's see. Ooh. So this is the wonderful view. It's so pretty. Yeah, can we go outside? Wow. Oh, it's such a pretty day out too. Oh, it's so nice. Wow, this is an amazing view. Two little chairs. I love the floor too. This is beautiful. Very modern. Oh my goodness. Oh, this is so nice. You can see the pool area too. Decently sized. Pretty nice. Pretty nice day out today. Nice little beach day. I'm so excited. Beautiful. Super cute. Love it. Very nice. And if you actually saw our last video too, where we were in the room with the queen mattresses, we were actually on the 3rd floor, which is under that green area with the grass. And now we're a little bit higher, so the view's like super pretty. We're on the 7th floor, so way higher. I love it. So pretty. Amazing. So let's finish the rest of the tour inside. Let's see. Let's see what we have over here. Oh my goodness, we have a desk area. This looks pretty comfortable. Let's test it out. Okay, I can do this. This is good if you're like working on vacation, you know, need a little desk area. That'd be great. This is a very nice TV. And also the remote is very safe too. They have a covering over the remote that's very COVID safe. Great idea. They really did a good job cleaning everything, which is very nice during these uncertain times. We have a coffee machine here and a few flavors here too. That's amazing. We have a phone just in case for emergencies. We also have like a little mini fridge here. Cute, very cute, for some drinks. It's working. Very nice. This is adorable. All right, let's put this one in here for later. Get it nice and cold. Bye. Okay. Another little area here if you want to put your luggage here, sort through things. Yeah, we have our thermostat. We have our nice full-length mirror here too. So that basically concludes our tour of the king bedroom here at the Hard Rock. We also have a video of the rooms with the queen beds, but they're a little different. They have a different shower too. So if that's something that interests you, you can check out that video. But yes, I hope you liked it. Let's tour more of this hotel. It's very beautiful. Hi guys, time to watch the sunset at the beach. Yay! Okay. Oh, it's so pretty. So soft. I love it. Look at all the birds. Wow, the water's like warm. Going into the water, it feels kind of good. It's not too cold. We're excited. Woo! Beautiful sunset. Smells like fish. Chilling at the Hard Rock. Over here we have this main strip. About half a mile we have the Daytona Beach. We also have the crab shack and the slingshot ride too for those that are more brave, not me. But yes, there's a lot to do over here. It's pretty fun. We love the view. The sunset is just amazing. So that's why I'm here. Oh, that's why I'm here. It's beautiful. Ooh. Hard Rock vibes. Give us a like if you like the video and leave us any comments too. We love to read them. Bye. Check out all these numbers here.
for all the support and the much love. And don't forget to join the sunset to protect yourself. You never know. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support, guys. Thank you so much.